Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by signing into your Google account on a secure desktop or phone. Confirm that you can enter your current password and access two-step verification. Verify your recovery phone number and recovery email are up to date. Have your authentication device ready, such as a phone or security key. Close unused browser tabs and disable VPNs that might block verification. This preparation reduces delays when changing your security code or authenticate. From your Google account, open Security and choose two-step verification settings. Authenticate with your password to view verification options and current devices. To change SMS codes, update your phone number and request a new 6-digit code. To switch to an app, select Authenticator and scan the QR code shown on screen. Register a hardware security key by following prompts and touching the key when requested. Save changes and remove old devices you no longer use for verification. After updating verification methods, create backup options such as 10 printable backup codes. Download or print those codes and keep them in a secure place offline. Also add a secondary phone number or recovery email to restore access if needed. Sign out of other devices from the security page and then test a fresh sign-in to confirm your new code works. Revoke old app passwords and generate new app-specific passwords for affected apps if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.